So I tend to do my nail care at home rather than go to a salon. So I've been on the lookout for a really good nail file that's going to not damage the nails, but do a good job of filing the nails down. I found this banana nail file on Amazon. It's double-sided, and one side is slightly more abrasive than the other side. So they have different purposes. One is for like filing the nail down, and the other is for shaping. I do love this like curve to it. It makes it really easy to get in under the nail. It works like in a really smooth way, so it doesn't leave the nail feeling like jagged. It just works quickly, files the nail down, but still leaves like a really smooth edge. And that's really important for me because I have quite brittle nails and they do break quite easily, but it is also really robust. So when I've used this on my partner who has much thicker nails, we're still able to file his nails down quite fast. So overall, I absolutely love this nail file. I think it does a really good job. It has lasted really well too. I've had this one for about 18 months now and it's still absolutely fantastic. And it's pretty good value as well. So I would definitely recommend it.